School Joys by Niharika. Presenting tape craft. We need a paper, brushes, paints, paper tape, water in a bowl, and scissors. Take a paper, fold it into half, press it nicely to get a crease. Open it. Take a tape, apply it on the crease. Cut it with scissors carefully. Take another paper tape, apply it on the upper half. In any way you want, just it shouldn't be so congested that you cannot paint on it. Do the same in the second half using another color tape if possible. If you will have one tape, it will also work. It's done. Take paints, any color you wish to have. I'm taking pink in instance. Brush, put it into water so that it has a nice texture. Apply it. Make sure that you apply it in different cubes and not in the same place. I'm taking another color for different cubes. Apply it in cubes having spaces. Take another color of your choice, and in instance I took pink, then blue and then green. Apply it on the cubes in contrast to other colors. Now I'm taking brown. Try not to take same shades of a color because then it would not come as bright as it should come out to be. Next, I'm taking yellow color. And it's done. Now carefully pull out the tapes with a very light hand so that your paper doesn't get Take it out by one and very carefully. Paper shouldn't get tampered. And try not to put your fingers on the paint. As gently as possible. So it's almost done. Here it comes. It looks very pretty and it's very easy. It looks very clean, tidy and wonderful. Thank you.